So let's talk about something else. Before I get into watches and other fun stuff like that, I want to talk a little bit about the call stack. The call stack in any programming language is the concept, or in any operating system or programming language. Hold on, let me blah 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 blah. Give me 1 second here in my little. Should probably have set this up before class, but I totally forgot. Where are you? You're somewhere, right? You're in here, probably. And you're probably down. No, you're not here, are you? Oh, there you are. Or not. Come on, Visual Studio. You can do it. Oh, there it is. Wow, I can't believe I missed that. Let me go ahead and I'm going to keep just my code enabled. So ignore what I just did. I just made my call stack look like probably what your call stack looks like.